The writing section of the Common App begins with the statement. You need to check off that you understand. The statement for the personal essay says, some colleges require submission of the personal essay with your Common App. You may submit a personal essay to any college, even if it is not required by that college. If not required by a college, you will be given the option during submission to include your essay or not for that college. And then you need to check, I understand. You will see the list of schools that are on your My Colleges list that are requiring the personal essay and those that don't require it. Then the next part lists the options of essay questions. If you are looking at Common App before August of 2020, you need to know that the writing prompts will be slightly different for the class of 2022. So that is posted in your Google Classroom, a link to the updated prompts for your grade. But if you are looking at this August 1 or later, those prompts will be updated when you log into your Common App. Here you have a couple different ways to submit your essay to enter it into Common App. The two ways I recommend are either uploading it from your drive with this icon or having a separate Google Doc and copying and pasting it from there, okay? I do not recommend typing it up and drafting it within the Common App application. It says you have a max of 650 words. That does not mean you need 650 words, okay? But you have to have at least 250. If you can get your point across in less than 650 words, that's fine. You just want to make sure that you fully explain your ideas, that you answer all parts of the question, and that you look over it and maybe have someone else look over it for any grammatical errors. When you hit continue, I'm recording this in July 2020, so the disciplinary history pops up. That, I believe, will be going away starting August 1st, so we'll just skip over that. And then it does give you a section for additional information. So something that the Common App has added in is a prompt regarding COVID-19. And this is a chance if you have been specifically impacted by COVID-19 and perhaps it impacted your grades, any sort of disruption that happened that you want to share with the college, this is your chance to do so. Most students do not share anything on this topic. You know, colleges realize that COVID impacted the entire nation of students in pretty similar ways, but this is a chance if you had a specific situation that you wanted to share, you could definitely include that here. And then the second part of the additional information section says, do you wish to provide details of circumstances or qualifications not reflected in the application? So this is often a chance for students, if there was 1 year where maybe you struggled academically, this would be the chance to address it and why that was the case and how maybe you've improved since then. If there's anything that you think needs a little extra explanation, go ahead and click yes, and it will give you a space to enter in a statement of any length. You can see the minimum characters or words is 1. And most students do not have extra things that they want to talk about here, but you know, if that does apply to you, if there's more that you think the college needs to know that hasn't been addressed other places in your application, this would be the place to do that.